Hi, my name is Nevin John, and I'm currently taking AP Spanish 4 through Growing Stars. I just wanted to share my experience because this program has honestly made a huge difference on how I approach AP Spanish and school in general. Before I started Growing Stars, I was feeling a little overwhelmed with AP Spanish. It's a challenging class, and I just wasn't as confident as I wanted to be, especially with things like grammar, writing, and understanding more advanced material. But once I started with Growing Stars, things really started to click. One of the biggest things I appreciate about Growing Stars is their flexibility. My schedule is packed with things like school, activities, and other responsibilities, so having the ability to schedule tutoring sessions at a time that works for me has been a game changer. I never feel rushed or stressed about fitting it in, which makes it easier to stay consistent. The tutors are also super knowledgeable and really supportive. My Spanish tutor is patient, encouraging, and takes the time to explain things in every way that makes sense to me. I love that the sessions are personalized. If I'm struggling with something specific like verb conjugations or just preparing for a test, we focus directly on that. Since starting with Growing Stars, I've noticed a real improvement in both my grades and my confidence in my classes. I participate more in class and I feel more prepared for my assignments. I even enjoy the language now that I understand it better. Overall, I'm really grateful for the support I've received from Growing Stars. They've helped me stay on track in a tough AP class, and I would absolutely recommend them to any student looking for extra help, especially in any subjects that they find hard. It's been a really positive experience for me. Thank you.